No, I like your style there, Mike.
Carol, because all eyes on the south this morning. We've seen some of the pictures, Carol, and I think the thing is the gusts, isn't it? I mean, we had a reporter kind of interrupted by one of those gusts a little while ago.
Absolutely right, Charlie. The gusts, of course, as you know, are variable. So we've had reports of over 100-mile-an-hour gusts in parts of the Channel Islands, Jersey Airport, for example, but some of them are lower, some of them are higher, and it very much depends where the centre of the storm, the centre of the deep low pressure is, because in that centre, the gusts are hardly noticeable at all. But the Met Office still has a couple of amber weather warnings in force. This one for the southwest expires at 11 o'clock this morning. And this one, you'll notice if you've been watching this morning, has been trimmed. And the time that it ends has also been brought forward. So it now ends at noon instead of at 5 o'clock this afternoon. But still, dangerous winds. We're looking at gusts 70 to 80 miles an hour across some southern coastal counties, so disruption to travel and potential power cuts, for example, quite possible. We've seen really high gusts, extremely high gusts across the Channel Islands this morning as well, as I mentioned, in excess of 100 miles an hour. But as we go through the next few hours, they should slowly start to come down as this area of low pressure that is Storm Ciaran continues to move northwards and eastwards. But look at that weather front wrapped round it. We still are seeing some heavy rain. We've had it across the Channel Islands. We've had it across many parts of England and Wales through the morning. And we're also going to get it further rain across areas that have been flooded too, across eastern Scotland and northeast England. One look at the isobars tells you it's also going to be windy. Gusty winds, but not as strong as the amber warning areas in the south. Now, temperatures 10 to about 12 degrees north to south. If you're in Northern Ireland, you'll be wondering what's going on because you've got a much drier day with some sunshine. You might just get a little bit of rain clipping the east of Northern Ireland through the course of the day. Now, heading on through the evening and overnight, that low pressure continues to drift further into the North Sea. We have more rain coming in across eastern Scotland and northeast England. Here too, the winds will still be strong, but move further west, it's a drier picture. We'll have some clear skies and just a few showers. Still windy though. But tomorrow, as this low pressure that is Storm Ciaran continues to weaken, we have a weather front around it, so that's still going to bring in some rain across eastern parts of Scotland and northeast England. Still gusty winds here, but for the rest of the UK, what you'll find is the winds will slowly start to come down. Now, there'll be a lot of dry weather. There'll be some sunshine around on Friday as well. But the wind coming in from the northwest will blow in some showers across Northern Ireland, in through Wales and the southwest. We could see a few around the Manchester area as well, with temperatures 10 to 14 degrees. So what happens after that? Well, on Saturday, you can see this low pressure continuing to fill. This next area of low pressure comes our way, bringing more rain. Now, the rain will be primarily to start the day across southern parts of England and also Wales. It could be heavy, again, falling on already saturated ground. It's going to be windy as well, but not as windy as we're seeing today. And there'll be some showers as we push further north. It's on Sunday we can loosen our corsets and we'll see a return to blustery showers, but also some sunshine, Charlie and Naga.
Carol, thank you very much. People are warned. We are well informed. Thank you very much.
You've been kept busy this morning, haven't you, Carol?
You can say that again.
But this is when you've got something like this, you can really get your teeth into it because it's so important, isn't it, that people are informed?
It is. It's really important, and it's really, for us, it's really exciting as well. And you have to temper your excitement because of the ramifications of the storm. So you're right.
Yeah, absolutely. Carol, anyway, you've been mega informative, as usual. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of your week.
8:50 the time now. So